Actually, I'm sorry.
Nick, or Ian, get on. Ian, get on. Ian, get on. Ian.
What the fuck happened?
Hey, you what? Oh my lord. Joe, you okay?
Your character just.
If you want some wheels, I need some wheels right now!
I will blow up your car if you don't get in.
Don't blow it up.
I have a homing launcher.
Please don't blow it up.
I don't think you know that. I don't think you know the severity of your actions, Zach. If you don't get in, I will use my homing launcher, and that can launch for over miles, okay?
Ian, this sounds like a script from a horror movie, and this will launch for miles, and no matter how far you run, you will die under my homing launcher. Like, does it not?
You don't realize the severity of your actions, Castongue.
Exactly, like what? Start doing a cinematic sequence of just you just doing that.
Zach, if you don't get into my car, I will shoot you with my homing launcher, which can launch from miles away and will hit you no matter how far you run, no matter how much you may call for help. It will find you.
And it will kill you?
No, no, just...
It's fine. Please don't destroy it. I'd really appreciate it. Why are you doing that? Like... Oh, it's not my bike. It's not my bike. Ah!
Sorry.
Ah!
Oh, I looked at my right and first person.
Okay, I'm literally gonna die.
Cotton candy head sitting next to me.
Oh my god. Stop, Nick! God.
Sorry, Gary needs a bath.
I'm just trying to get to my mansion. Ah! I'm just trying to get to my mansions. I can't. Here's a quick little bit of background. So throughout this whole game, we were lagging really bad, and this is just a clip of Ian and I and Nick lagging the fuck out. And I don't know why, but I thought it was extremely funny, and enjoy this clip.
Okay, we're here.
I can't breathe.
I'll put you out of your misery, I understand. You sound like a fucking grandpa.
Are you okay?
I think he's actually
He sounded like a broken slide whistle.
Oh my fucking god.
Yo, lady, I heard you like kicking butts.
Okay, hi.
Hey guys.
Suburban is closed.
Oh.
Sorry, there's a fucking band in my store.
God damn it.
It's a bitch. Oh.
I just headbutted him!
You totally knocked the fuck out. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Shut the fuck up! God damn it. Shut the fuck up!
Fuck off. I want to be in my insurgent so I can just fucking follow through the
Beat your
cops.
fucking dog.
Come here, doggy! I don't want to be paired up with Aaron.
Aaron's a fucking terrorist. You have a better chance than we do.
Wait.
I'm coming to get you guys. I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Alright, ready, Zach? You try to.
Aaron.
Okay.
Aaron, where you at?
Yeah.
Ready? You're gonna aim, and so you can walk like that. Would you fuck? Zach, I'm going to give you AIDS. I'm going to give you the AIDS virus.
Keep falling.
Wait, is that you doing that? What's happening?
Okay, Nick.